the system, it's simply how we've existed.
Hi friends, this is Poco F2 Plus phone which launched in India in next year. You can find in this 6.4 inches Super AMOLED display with Gorilla Glass 6. It is having Gorilla Glass 6 with 1440 into 2880 pixels, and you can find it is having OS Android 9.1 Pie. It is very fast and very unique design, and it is having Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor friends, and it is having RAM 10 GB with internal storage 256, and you can get 12 GB RAM with 512 GB internal storage, and it is having memory card slot, and you can add your memory card up to 512 GB, and it is having triple camera setup. First camera with 32 megapixel, second camera 16 megapixel, and third camera 16 megapixel with depth mode, and dual front camera 16 megapixel plus 32 megapixel, and it is having in display super fast fingerprint scanner. It is very fast fingerprint scanner. It is having headphone jack also with 3.5 mm audio jack, optical with C port type headphone jack you will get, and phone supports 3G, 5G and 4G. It is having 4000 mAh battery with quick charging, and you can get wireless charging also. Friends, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and comment. Thank you.